Let a high-performance, heavy-capacity Bruno Elite indoor stair lift make climbing your stairs safe and easy. Take a seat. Clip the retractable seat belt. Push the armrest control, and the Bruno Elite smoothly glides you up the stairs. When you arrive at the top of the staircase, pull the lever and the seat swivels up to 90 degrees and locks in place, allowing you to safely exit away from the stairs. The Bruno Elite features a unique vertical rail with covered gear rack that gives you a clean appearance and installs close to the wall, leaving maximum open space for family members and pets. When the stair lift is not in use, fold the arms, seat, and footrest to save even more space. Bruno's Elite is made in America, features a 400-pound lift capacity, and a limited lifetime warranty. With dependable battery operation, a Bruno Elite is ready when you need it, even in a power outage. The stair lift is continuously charging anywhere it stops on the rail. Safety sensors on the Bruno Elite give peace of mind that the lift will gently stop if an obstruction is sensed on the steps. And wireless remote controls can call the stair lift up or down the stairs if a second rider would like to use the lift. Your Bruno dealer can adjust a Bruno Elite to best accommodate your body type and needs. Adjustable space between armrests, adjustable seat height, left or right armrest control paddle. Bring back smiles and safety to your home again with a Bruno Elite indoor straight stair lift. Learn more by visiting Bruno.com.